Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarokaatuh. Hello everyone, it's me Faiz. How are you doing, guys? I hope you're always in a good condition and happy situation. So today in this video, I'm gonna be doing a presentation of my portfolio. So basically, I'm just going to explain what is inside of my portfolio and what I've been doing and my experience and other else. Okay, so let's just get started. So right here, this is my portfolio website. It's a web-based portfolio. So right here, when you open my portfolio website, you will see my picture right here, and right here there is my name, and there are two buttons here, projects button and services. It will lead you to the section, project section and services, and this is a button to download my CV. So if you pressed, it will automatically download my CV like so. So sorry. Okay, so let's continue. This is just a bit explanation. I'm skilled in web development, Flutter app development, also UI UX design. And right here, this is the list of my skills that I've been learning, such as HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, Dart, Tailwind, Bootstrap, Laravel, Flutter, Firebase, GitHub, Figma, and a basic skills of video editing on CapCut. So right here, this is the about section. Actually, right here it's explaining about myself. Faiz, I'm a web and Flutter app developer based in Bandung, Indonesia. I have several years of experience in web development and new to Flutter because I'm new to Flutter currently. I managed to carry out several successful projects. Okay, so right here there are three buttons. This button will lead you to my LinkedIn profile, and this button will lead you to my GitHub profile, while this button will lead you to my Instagram. So there's a little bit note. He doesn't write message on social networks. Send him an email and he'll answer you. This button will lead you to the contact section. And right here, we have a sidebar to navigate you to the section. So let's just go to the first section, which is the services I offer. So I offer services of web development, Flutter app development, also UI UX design. And some explanation we can read. With several years of experience, front end and back end, I can do both, but I'm more skilled at front end. I've managed to build projects in both fields. Next is Flutter app development. I am new to Flutter currently, but I've managed to create several projects such as e-commerce app, QR code scanner app, and etc. And the last is UI UX design. So basically, I learned UI UX design by myself, so it's just self-taught. And I managed to make one prototype with my team for a UI UX design competition. Next section is the project section. First, this is my latest project. It's Snap Attend. It's a Flutter app. So Snap Attend is a Flutter-based attendance app with Firebase and Google ML Kit face detection. So this is basically an attendance app, which you can report your attendance to your office, maybe online. So it has a feature that use Google ML Kit, Google machine learning, so that it can detect your face. So this is the technology I use for this application, such as Dart, Flutter, Firebase for the database to keep the storage, keep the data, and this is Android app. I think it's not support in iOS yet. Okay, so next is Resep Pusaka. This is my UI UX design. So Resep Pusaka is a UI UX design of application that offer Nusantara recipes. Yeah, basically just recipes from Indonesia. So I made a prototype with my colleagues. Actually, it is for UI UX competition. We made it with Figma. So if you want to visit the project, you can click this link, or you can even click the picture. Next is ZapTag. So this is another Flutter app. It's just basically a QR code scanner and generator app built with Flutter, like so. It's supported in Android and iOS. Next is Blue Cart. So it is basically a UI of e-commerce application featuring authentication and use shared preference dependency to keep the preference of the user, like so. It built with Flutter and supported on iOS and also Android. Next is Wartanusa, sorry. So Wartanusa is a news app built with Flutter using API, which is Berita Indo API, to fetch the article's data, like so. It was built with Flutter and Dart. So basically, Flutter is the framework of Dart, like so. So it is supported on Android and also iOS. You can visit the project by clicking the picture or the button here. Next is Bandung Travel app. It's basically an application. It's not a working application, but it's just an UI slicing. So I slice a UI from Figma, a UI design from Figma, sorry. So I built this one with Flutter. Next is Popular Museums app. So this Popular Museums app, it's a Flutter app. This is my first Flutter project, which provide you a list of popular museums in the world, like so. Next is Top G News. So this is a news website featuring CRUD, so you can create, read, update, and also delete the articles that you make. So this website is built with PHP and also Tailwind. Next is Tikati. It's a ticketing website built with Laravel. It also has an admin dashboard for the content management and transactions tracking. So you can see the people who order the ticket, or to manage the event, you will show inside the website, like so. Next is Build Hub. It's just a company profile built with HTML, of course, and CSS, and I'm using Bootstrap for the framework of CSS. Yep. Next is Foxy Coffee. It is also a company profile website for a cafe. I built this website with Tailwind, and it has a dark mode feature also inside. Next section is certificate. First, I got this. This is my latest certificate, which is Learn Basic AI. So I learned the basic of AI. I got this course certificate from Decoding. Next is Making Flutter App for Beginner. I got also from Decoding. Next is Start Programming with Dart. So I learned about Dart language, also from Decoding. Next, I learned the basics of data visualization. Sorry. So I learned how to representate the data effectively, and like so. I got it from Decoding also. Next is Create Front-End Web for Beginners. I learned it on Decoding. Next is Learn JavaScript Programming Basics. So I learned the basics of JavaScript. I got it also from Decoding. Next is Learn Web Programming Basics. So I learned the basics of web programming on Decoding. Next is Learn Canva Basics. So I learned how to design on Canva. on Coursera. And next, learn Figma basics. So I get started with Figma on Coursera and I got the certificate. Next is learn CSS basics. So I learned the CSS basics, the basics of CSS, how to style each element on HTML. I got it from Skillful. And next is learn HTML basics. This is my first certificate, course certificate. So I learned the basic of HTML to build the website, of course. So next section is my experience. This is my latest experience. So I conducted a teaching program in Tuturi Handayani Vocational School on February 2025. I taught the student about UI UX design, but also the basic, and I managed to guide the participate to create a simple web designs. Next is I confessed. I am a contestant, so me and my team was joining I Confess in the field of UI UX design, and we managed to create one prototype which is Resep Nusantara. So this one, yes. So let's continue. Next, in August 2024, I also conducted a teaching program at Tuturi Handayani Vocational School, but this time I taught about basic HTML and CSS, and me and my team managed to guide the participate students to create a simple landing page. Next, this is my first experience in the world of IT. So it's IDN IT Cam Batch 4. So me experience as Figma Design Mentor. It's conducted on October 2023. Like so. So this is the contact section, which is the last section. So you can send an email to my email. Is from here. You can write your name, for example, Faiz. Your email, for example, faiz@gmail.com. This is just an example. So write your message, for example, hey Faiz, let's get in touch, like so. So just click send message. See if the message here is message sent successfully. So it means it is successfully sent to my email. Let's see, let's check it. Email. Yep, it's here. Names, Faiz, email, faiz@gmail.com. The message is, hey Faiz, let's get in touch. So, like so. And at the end, we have the footer right here. There's several links to lead you to the section, and there are 3 social media. And here is a button to go to the top, like so. So maybe I'm going to just explain a bit of this website. So this website is built with native HTML and CSS, also JavaScript. So if actually it has an animation, so if you reload this site, there's an animation like so. Every section has an animation like so, so it looks more cool like so. See? Okay, so you basically can visit this website via link that I will put inside the description section. So yep, well, maybe that's all the presentation I can do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't mind to please don't hesitate to click the like button and leave some comment if you have any suggestion for me. My apologies for the mistakes I made. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.